Fiverr is a popular online marketplace where freelancers offer a wide range of services to clients. It is not possible to provide you with the exact Fiverr script, as it is a proprietary platform. However, I can give you a general overview of the features and functionalities that are commonly found in freelance marketplace scripts similar to Fiverr. User registration and profiles. The script should allow users to register as both buyers and sellers. Each user will have a profile where they can showcase their skills, expertise, and portfolio. Gig creation. Sellers should be able to create gigs or service listings. A gig typically includes a title, description, pricing, delivery time, and any additional options or packages. Search and filtering. The script should provide search functionality that allows buyers to find relevant services. Filtering options based on categories, price range, seller ratings, and delivery time can enhance the user experience. Messaging system. A built-in messaging system is essential for effective communication between buyers and sellers. It allows users to discuss project requirements, negotiate terms, and share files or attachments. Order management. The script should facilitate order management, including order placement, tracking, and delivery. It should also support revisions, dispute resolution, and order completion. Ratings and reviews. A rating and review system allows buyers to provide feedback on the services they have received. This helps maintain the reputation and quality of sellers on the platform. Payment integration. Secure payment gateways should be integrated into the script to enable seamless transactions between buyers and sellers. Common payment options include PayPal, Stripe, or other third-party payment processors. Commission and fee management. The script should support the calculation and management of platform fees or commissions charged on completed transactions. This feature ensures the platform owner can earn revenue from each transaction. Admin dashboard. An admin dashboard is necessary to manage the overall platform, including user management, content moderation, resolving disputes, and generating reports. It's worth noting that developing a freelance marketplace script similar to Fiverr requires considerable technical expertise or the involvement of experienced developers. You may consider seeking professional assistance or exploring existing freelance marketplace scripts or platforms available in the market, which can be customized to your specific requirements.